MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka office jongka district Ayush Society Bhoi district kala Rakhe ka International Day of Yoga ka bakhat ar Hasti Sports Council Nongpoh halor kapang Yoga for Healthy Aging hagani ka program lawan banshimenta bat banle yoga lang daw MLA ka Nongpoh constituency ba Meral Bon CM ka MDC ka Nongpoh constituency ka Kongrona Kamden ki samla puli na Bhoi College St Joseph Academy of Nursing umtreu ki medical officer jongka district Ayush Society bat ki waipat ki balawan banishimenta kumshimenta jongka jingrakhe ki pajba bat kinawan shimenta kilale ki jingile ka yoga bapher ban penslure ka kot ka khia kamet kapan ka jingko jingkhia ka jingmut jing perkhan bat karukom im ka baba habakuran hagani ka singi ba meral bon sim ulaong bahagani ka perthai ka blanang kelas tan ka badam da ka jingko slai ka jingbom dan por ban kilan men bat ka jingbun ki jingpang jingsitom ki bani islam ka yoga ka long kalenti banwan ra ya ka kot ka khia ha kamet ubrio ulaong ru ba ka jingle yoga man ka singi ka yara ban penklanya kamet ban pensha ya ka jingmut jing perkhan ban penbhai karukom im khamtam ki balarang ba karta kumta ula kentui ki paiba jong baro kirta ban penlong ya ka yoga kum ka benta jong ka jingim baman kasngi.
This is Shishankrasana. Relax and then 4, 5. Exhale, release. Reach your hands. Now, legs apart. Keep your hands on your waist, on your hip joint. Now we'll go for Ardha Chakrasana. Inhale. Then backwards. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up.
In our day-to-day life, despite of our busy schedule as a student, as a parent, as a farmer, as a businessman, as a politician, as a professional in all your profession, it is very important that we have to ensure ourselves to have a good health. We have seen many young people engage themselves in various sports activities, and we have seen nowadays, since this mantra, I must say, that has been launched by the government of India to observe the International Yoga Day, in which the Honorable Prime Minister of our country has led from the front, in which various countries in the world, they understand the importance of yoga. Today we are here to ensure that each and every one of us who are present here, we will be in the habit that every day we should do yoga. And it is important to relieve ourselves from various tensions in life that we encounter in our day-to-day life. We understand, myself as a politician also, even Kong also will witness, it is not an easy task for us also, a huge of challenges that we have to be bear in mind, physically, mentally. But I'm not wrong to say, even though I'm not an expert in yoga, but in few physical exercise every morning, it helps me a lot by doing a free hand exercise at home. I understand, I feel some relief out of it. So we must pledge each and every one of us to ensure that we should do yoga for the benefit of each and every one of us. Physically, mentally, we should be fit, irrespective of the background we come, irrespective of the lifestyle we have, the food habit that we used to, but we have to ensure that yoga is important, and we have to ensure not only to ourselves, friends, relatives, children at home, we will follow this process, which is very important to each and every one of us.
MeghalayaPost.news.